Wow, hey friends, what's up? It's Kelly. Today what I'm doing for you is I am going to do day to night makeup. I didn't do the day part like a normal YouTuber. I'm just gonna do the like progression onto night part because that's like currently the state that I'm in, and I just want to be really real with you guys. It's not that YouTuber like, oh, put this on and do this and then blah blah blah, and then 2 seconds later they're like, oh, hey, then you look exactly the same at the end of the day and this is what you do at night. No, what you do is in the morning, you get ready really fast, you put on a full face of makeup, but kind of, but not really, but you can still kind of do something to it later, and then you go to work like a normal person, like a person who has a job. You go to work and freaking get sweaty and do your errands and get sweaty, and then you rub your face and then you pick your pimples through your makeup, and then you look like this at the end of the day. And this is how you get ready after halfway looking like a mess, halfway being put together. So first of all, when I got home and I looked like this, I was actually wearing a hoodie and I was super comfortable because I want to get it out of my work clothes. But then I was like, you know what, I'm gonna film a video. And you know, I'm not really getting ready for anything. I'm more just like getting ready to get ready because I have free time. So what's happening here is I had waved my hair with my 3-barrel this morning. Today it rained and poured and was super humid. So when I got home and it was all rained in, I put it up in a bun, and then I got bun hair, which is this little stuff right here. It goes flat and then it all just does one curl in. That's because my bun messed my hair up. Grab my 3-barrel. This one is from Bedhead. These things last for freaking ever and they're super cheap too, but they're good quality. They work really well with fine hair. If you got some thick hair, get something more expensive because girl, it just works with some fine hair like me. And then bada boom bada bing, you've got a hairstyle. We're gonna do eyebrows next, so bring it in a little closer. If you can see, the tail end of my eyebrow is super messed up over here. Luckily, I used a pomade. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in Ash Brown, and I'm taking a Anastasia Beverly Hills number 12 brush. I'm going blind again. It's happening. This time of day, I swear. Actually gonna also fix right down there. We're also gonna go in here a bit, do some little flickety flicks. Nice. Okay, so what happened on my eyes today is I just did a concealer and then used a powder over top of them. And since I just did the brows, then I'm gonna go back in with my concealer brush and conceal that crap up. Alright, so you're probably wondering, Kelly, what are you gonna do with your eyelids? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take out the concealer brush that I used this morning to put the concealer on my eyelids. And we're just gonna blend it out because there's been excessive amount of oils and lots of creasing. So we're just gonna do that and renew the palette of the eye a little bit, like so there's less creases. And then you know what we're gonna freaking do? We're gonna pull out our Morphe palette. This is the 9C palette. Recently got this little beauty. Oh my god, it's gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna start out by going in with Rich Girl, and we're just gonna pat it into the crease. I'm going to use it a little bit to kind of blend out the top, just so it's not super, you know. Oh, this is a Morphe MB20 brush. And then with the color Stone Fox, I'm gonna start by pressing that in right above where we pressed in the purple. And then start doing like circular and windshield wiper motions. Kind of just blending it into that purple. Do you see that blend? Oh my god, do you see that blend? Oh! This is my MB23 brush and it's crooked. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be crooked or not, but it's very crooked. If you guys want this type of application, maybe crook your brush a little bit. I don't know. So what we're doing now is what the hello?
Hello.
Hello.
I'm self-tanning and I feel like this is gonna turn out so bad.
What are you doing? Like, which product did you end up getting? Is it like a gradual tanner, or like how long are you supposed to leave it on for?
It's an express tanner.
Oh god. Gosh, I'm so sorry. Yeah, I'm filming.
Right now?
Yeah.
Like as we're talking?
Yeah, that's why I'm doing my makeup.
Oh, cut this part out.
Maddie calls me with a tanning emergency.
Kelly!
Help! I'm literally going in with Anastasia right now.
I know, I can see it.
Ready? Subculture palette. And I'm using the color Rowdy.
This is what's gonna make you look. It's actually good I'm recording and then be like, this is what I wear.
Dude, guess what happened?
What?
It wasn't filming that.
So what are you recording?
So right now I'm apologizing to my subscribers because we were FaceTiming earlier today and I totally forgot to press record on part of the eye. So I'm gonna try to catch everybody up. Because I went from kind of getting done to really done real quick. So, alright, hi friends. So the part that you missed on my eye was basically I cut my crease and then I also did a little bit like of a purpley shimmer shadow to it too. I still use the Morphe palette. I used this color right here. It's in Purple Rain. And I packed it on with the other side of my Anastasia blending brush. It's like the two-ended brush. It's the all-over shadow. Also did my under eye, and I used the same colors that I used in my crease on top of my lid, which is Rich Girl and Stone Fox. And I finished up with some of my Bad Gal Bang mascara, because you guys know how much I love that mascara. Oh yeah, Bad Gal Bang. This is my favorite. But yeah, I hope you guys don't hate me. I was just editing the video and then I realized, oh, I should probably say sorry for being such a bad YouTuber. So, hey fans, guess what? My camera turned off. It was a user difficulty. Yeah, not a technical one. It was my fault. Anyway, I put a brightening powder underneath my eyes. This is the one from the Urban Decay Shapeshifter palette. I did that underneath my eyes and on all of my concealer areas to kind of help with redness, color correction, acne, focus camera. Okay, now I'm putting on some lashes because that's important.
Lashes.
Who said that? Okay, I'm going back in with my Hoola bronzer. That's this guy right here. I'm wearing the Born This Way foundation. This is on, it's been on since 8 this morning and it's still looking pretty good, which never happens for this foundation. So maybe I just applied it wrong all this time until now. And then we're gonna go in with a blush. So we're gonna take my Anastasia blush palette and I'm gonna go into this one and that one. Yeah. We did it! We did it! Yay! That's not a bad color. Yeah, that's not bad. I can deal with that. Since it's the freaking end of the day and I just sweat my butt off all day, I'm going in with my all-nighter setting spray if I want my makeup to stay the rest of the night. On my Anastasia A23 brush that's very crooked, I'm going into my, you guessed it, the Amrezy highlighter because I love me some Amrezy. Go right down all of the places where you highlight this morning, and then we're just gonna brush a little bit off the forehead so you still look a little dewy, still look a little glowy. It looks like you sweat a little bit throughout the day. It looks like you didn't just do your makeup. You still want to look a little sweaty. That's important. Kelly needs to put on lippy sticky. I'm wearing the Smashbox liquid lipstick in Stepping Out. Okay guys, so that's gonna be it for the tutorial get ready with me thing. This is how you go from day face to night face without having to super duper mess with your makeup. I didn't do the first part because I'm lazy and I don't care and it's not a big deal to me. But you know what, we did the second part because that's the glam part and that's the part that I like doing the most, so thanks. My camera's starting to overheat, so I'm gonna get going and take my face off, but I really hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!